hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 4. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Both the phones support the same Snapdragon 625 processor and are running MIUI 9. So purely based on specs, both are equally fast. But let's see how they actually perform in the speed test. In this solo speed test, I'll open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 9 seconds faster than Redmi Note 4. Now let's see how they perform in the regular speed test. In this regular speed test, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. So guys, in this regular speed test, Redmi Note 4 was faster than Redmi Note 5 by at least few milliseconds. Now the results of the speed test and earlier speed test are completely opposite. I think the results of regular speed test are more accurate. So in the speed test, Redmi Note 4 is the winner right now. With better software optimization, Redmi Note 5 might perform better later. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way guys, both the phones have 4GB of RAM and I have disabled MIUI optimization and memory optimization on both the phones from developer options. Memory management is really good on both the phones. Both the phones were able to keep almost 12 applications in memory, which is really good. So guys, in the speed test, Redmi Note 4 is the winner, and in the memory management round, it's a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.